Hi, welcome back to another episode of What's Cooking. I'm Layla and I'll be cooking beer mac and cheese. To start off, we have a roux made in our pot, which is a cup of butter and a cup of flour. Then you're gonna add in 2 cups of milk, a cup of the beer, which is a pale lager, then a cup of cheddar cheese, a cup of mozzarella cheese, and then a cup of Gruyere cheese. And then you're gonna throw it on the stove until it's all melted, which will take about 10 to 20 minutes. Now that our sauce is finished, we're gonna start putting together the beer mac and cheese. So you're gonna wanna have about 6 ounces of cavatappi noodles, and then you're gonna pour some sauce in, and then you're gonna mix it together. And then once it's all mixed, you're gonna pour it into a pan. And spread it out evenly. Now we're gonna make our topping for the beer mac and cheese. You're gonna wanna start with about a cup of breadcrumbs. I use panko. Then about a cup of Parmesan cheese. And then some Italian seasoning. And then some salt. And then some melted butter to pull it together. And once it's all mixed together, you're gonna add on top. Then you're gonna throw it in the oven at 350 degrees for about 10 to 15 minutes. Now that the beer mac and cheese has finished in the oven, we're gonna begin plating it. Then you can top it with parsley. This will be available in the cafe and bistro Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday. Thank you for watching and I hope you enjoy.